Hey everybody, my name is Ivica. Thank you so much for being on my latest Unreal Engine beginner tutorial, which will show you how you can quickly and easily change the color of texture that you're using in your level. Now, this is super simple, so simple that I actually never thought about it until I got a question on my YouTube channel, which you're going to see up here right now. So first of all, a big thanks to the question and to the user who sent it. The first question I didn't get fully, but then the same question asker repeated it and clarified how do you change the color of texture in your Unreal Engine level. Now, to do that, you have to use basically only 3 nodes. It's really simple, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So, lastly, once more, thanks for the question. Now, back to the same process. First, you're going to need to create a material. So right click and change to, better said, choose material. And here I'm going to just call it text, actually. I wanted to go for test, but text works as well. And double click on it to open the material editor. First, we're going to select the texture that we want to use. So let's right click and go for texture. And already texture sample is selected, so you can go for that and you have it right here. Now, in its details for the texture sample, we're going to choose a material and we're going to go for example, clay brick, and we're going to connect it to the base color as we would normally do. Now let's save it and see what the texture looks like. It's going to take a second or two to get that connection up and going and present it in the same preview window. And once it's done, we're going to see the normal texture sample of the brick clay beveled. And here we have it. It's really green and it's really bright, but let's say that we want to change that to a different color, and for example we want to make it into something blue. To do that, simply go with this process, change or choose again by right clicking constant 3 vector, and we have our another node, and here we're going to change the color to that blue spectre. Let's go for something like this. Now we're going to break the connection of the texture sample to the base color. We're going to do that by holding Alt and clicking on the same connection. And we're going to add a node which is called multiply. Here it is. And now we're going to connect both the texture sample and the constant 3 vector to the multiply, and the multiply is going to go to the base color. So let's connect this to A, let's connect this to B, and now let's connect the multiply node with the base color. Now we're going to save and we're going to wait while the preview loads. The resulting texture should be now colored in the blue tint of the constant 3 vector and present a sample, texture sample that is inside of the same color range. And there you have it. It's blue and it works by combining these two into a base color output. So let me dock this right here quickly, and we can now move this to a box or a static mesh, and you can see it here. But now if you want to change it, it's very simple. Let's again double click here, better said through here, and let's change something that's really different, something that's really bright yellow. And then we're going to again save, we're going to wait. As the preview loads, the same color will go from the blue part of the spectre to the yellow, which is going to combine it with the green of the original texture sample to get something that will likely be yellow greenish. And here it is. As you can see, it changed immediately, of course, in the editor itself, and the process is complete. You can do that with any other texture, with any other color. In theory, you could add additional multiply nodes you can repeat this process and then add a multiply node and then add a secondary multiply node that will combine this cluster and another cluster into the base color. That's a great thing about Unreal Engine. The scalability is there. The process of kind of adding things upon each other is really simple and easy and functional, as you saw. So there you have it. Again, thanks for the question. Hopefully this makes sense and hopefully you can apply it in your project. It's really simple, it's really easy, it's really functional, and of course it's immediately visible in the level itself. So once more, thanks for the question and hope it makes sense, not just to you, but anyone looking to change the color of their textures in Unreal Engine, which is a really beginner element, but still one that you should understand. Thanks again for watching. My name is Ivica. There is a bunch of different ways how you can support me. I have a Patreon page set up for anyone who would like to pitch in $1 or $2 per month to help me make videos about all things gaming and many other topics. I create a podcast, I create gaming videos, I create World of Gaming videos, which are actually videos about the gaming lore. These are mostly shorts, so if you have a moment, check out my short selection. And of course, you can also check out my books on Amazon. I sell loads of books on Amazon, not actually loads, but 6 books, sorry, not 3, double that number, 6. And you can also send me money directly through PayPal or crypto, but the easiest, simplest and cheapest way to support me is to basically subscribe to my channel and be here for my new videos. Of course, if you have questions about beginner Unreal Engine stuff, I would love to cover it in my new videos as well, or at least try to help you in the comment section below. There you have it. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here until the very end, and have a great day and have also loads of fun in your Unreal Engine levels. Until my next video, bye bye.